Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
Hello boys, I hope you guys are having a sexy day.
What did he say?
So yesterday, Carparking Multiplayer 1 got a new beta update. And today, like we always do, we're gonna check it out. And I'll give you guys my honest opinion. But before we begin, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe, and comment shout out. Okay boys, so this update brings 3 new cars to the game and some small changes. The first car that we've got is the Toyota Altezza. It costs 500 coins and comes with 215 horsepower. The next car is a really old BMW, which comes in at $540,000, packed with 74 horsepower. And last but not least, we've got the old Lexus IS 300. It's also costs 500 coins and comes with 215 horsepower, like the Toyota Altezza. Both of these cars look very identical. And one of the main ways to tell them apart is that the Lexus has a steering wheel on the left side, whereas the Toyota Altezza has it on the right side. And for those of you guys who are curious to see which one of these 2 cars is faster, let's run a quick test. Both of them are equipped with the W16 engine and stock gearbox. The Lexus is in the lead and the Toyota Altezza is nowhere near. I hope that answers your guys' question. Now let's move on with the video. The snow that was added on City 1 has been removed, and the devs have now added some new road, trees, and grass textures. I'm gonna quickly put up the before and after comparison so you guys can see the difference. Let me know in the comments section which one you guys think looks better. On the left side of the screen, we've got the new beta update, and on the right side, we've got the original CPM before the snow was added. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe as I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. And if you're already subscribed, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
The Toyota Altezza interior is very simple. It's made with a mix of plastic, leather, and durable materials. Honestly, I think this car is kind of nice, but I just don't get why the developers would add 2 cars that look exactly the same. The BMW has 2 different interiors, a basic one and a racing interior with a roll cage, which I think looks pretty cool. The Lexus has the exact same interior as the Toyota Altezza. Only difference is that the steering wheel is on the left side and the radio has a lime green screen and not orange. On the good notes, all 3 new cars support the W16 engine, which means we can drift them. Another thing I want to tell you guys is that we didn't get any new emotes, clothes, or basically anything other than the stuff I've mentioned so far. So for now, let's just look at the body kits for the new cars, the sounds, and we'll call it a day.
Bye.